An opportunity for YouTube as well. Let's see here, properties. Let's see what mic. Here we go. Okay. Let's see here. Let's go to YouTube. Drag that over here. Hold up. Yeah, drag that over here. We're gonna go back to the gold chart. Nice trade we're in. Now let's see here. How do I go to a set? Gotta go your channel. Okay. Live. Mute myself. Whoa. Whoa. Think that there's a bad echo. Think that there's a bad echo. I think there is a bad echo. There is. Where's my YouTube at? Hold up, give me a second. Testing. Testing. Should be better now, I think. Right? I lied. Shoot, it's happening. It was just perfect like yesterday. Doot. What about this? What about this one? What about this? What about this one? That's fucked up. I'm a rookie at this shit. Maybe it's this mic. Maybe I gotta get rid of this mic. Maybe it's this mic. Maybe I gotta get rid of this mic. You got both going at the same time. Oh shit. What do you mean, bro? I got Zoom and I gotta get this shit situated. Y'all can't watch me like this, bro. Shit, YouTube, like, why is my stream echoing? I think I just found it. I gotta mute this one. Gotta mute this one. Testing, 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 testing. I fixed it, fixed it, fixed it, Did I fix it? Did I fix it? Fix it. Motherfucking beast. Fix it. Motherfucking beast. Is it echoing? Is it echoing? Alright. Let's see here what Go's doing. Alright. Let's see here what Go's doing. A little echo. Fucking shit, bro. This is pissing me off, man. Fucking shit, bro. This is pissing me off, man. Testing, testing. Echo, echo. Testing, testing. Echo, echo. Settings. Settings. I think that really might have fixed it. That really might have fixed it. I didn't. I didn't. Oh, that's what he did. Oh, that's what he did. Let me see now. Let me see now. Still, shit. What? 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 Maybe my video capture device. Maybe my video capture device. Yo, yo. Yo, yo. Pissing me off. Pissing me off. There's like a very small echo in the background somewhere. Very small echo in the background somewhere. Isn't there? Or am I just tripping? Or am I just tripping? Hey, yo, Rashawn, can you see if there's an echo in there? Cause I just muted myself here. You know what I'm saying? I muted myself on the YouTube. Someone in the YouTube chat, let me know if there's an echo in there still. Please. That'd be pretty dope. Thank you in advance. I am in gold shorts. It's just totally not moving at this point. It was fixed. Nice. Shahab, thank you very much. Everyone that's in here, like the stream. That's already dope. We got 9 people watching. 9 people watch the stream are watching the stream, right? Welcome everyone. I am in gold shorts, and the reason why I took these gold shorts is for, I didn't like this area of structure and this area of shorting because of the simple fact that Um, it just kind of made it too obvious right here, right? And then it got you that big breakthrough push, right? Um, and now here you have that big reject, you have the big push, and then you have the big rejection. So eventually, price should continue down to retrace. Now, full TP, it could happen, but the 4-hour candle is closed very strong. So, um, now all it is just letting the trade run, managing risk. If it works, perfect. If it doesn't, we manage the risk. That's the most important. That's what makes you a good trader, right? If you manage risk. When I muted myself, that's normal, bro. Crispy audio right now. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I found it like that. I was like, man, I can't have my first stream echoing like that. So, um, wait a second. This, first off, that's not supposed to be called testing stream. Live stream robbing XAUUSD. Let's do that right first. Stream of the year. Learn something. Ask questions. Send question. Send charts. And let's get better. Boy. Right. Rashawn, enter. Period. Save that. Now the title should be changed on my YouTube, I think. Alright, so gold engulfed on the 5-minute, but it didn't close without a bottom wick. It doesn't matter because the higher time frames are open still, like the 15-minute. This is beautiful right here. That's beautiful. I think it's because of you using a mic and speaker near each other, possibly. But is it still echoing? If it's not echoing, it's perfect. Right? Nah, don't leave this, Roshan. What you talking about? You gotta stay in here, bro. Alright. Sorry, now what it's doing is making its top wick on gold. No, it's okay now. Perfect. Alright, perfect. Alright. So now we just kick back, relax, watch it drop, and sip on our coffee, right? No echoes. Perfect. Live first. Right. This is YouTube's new face right here. This is YouTube's new live streamer. Let me actually make an Instagram video. Give me a second. I'm about to mute my mic. Alright. Yo, what's going on? Go. Send a chart, bro. Send a chart. Let's break that shit down. You'll be the first chart I ever break down on here. You got in at 1843. Send a chart. Show me your reasoning. Why you got in. That'll be dope, bro. That'll be dope. You'll be my very first one. I'll never forget. I'll never forget. Go. Alright, hold on. Let me. About to put this on my Instagram real quick. Link. Paste. Done. Alright. Shazad, what up? What up? Shazad, 1842.81 here. Send a chart, man. What's the reasoning behind you taking that trade? I could call in numbers too. I could make this just a paper trade. Right? where are you paying attention to? What's the first zone you're paying attention to? Do you know that already? Do you know, like, yeah, the first zone, if we're rejecting, this is what I'm gonna do, right? That's all the things that you need to be thinking about when you're in this trade, especially when you're counter trend trading, trying to catch the reversal. You got to be very, very, very careful. Like right now, this 5-minute is not supposed to close bullish, right? It's really not. The 15-minute is closing almost engulfing. The 30-minute has 15 minutes left. So what do you think this 5-minute is the start of right now? Right? You got all this got to go through your mind when you're in this trade. What do you think this 5-minute could be doing? Potentially, possibly could be doing. Well, the 5-minute could be making a bottom wick for the 30-minute to shoot right back up again. Right? Could. Right? Potentially. Potentially. Now, I do believe that we need a retrace. Right? Here it is. 15 minutes engulf at 1 hour resistance. What do you mean? You said you've been in the trade since 1840. What was that? 1843. So that means that you just entered on a wick. Because there was no 15-minute engulf in here, bro. Right? There's no 15-minute engulf in here. So you should have you entered on the 1 minute. And if you see on the 1 minute is doing something that is really not good for us selling right now. Right? Because the 1 hour resistance is down here. It's down here, sorry. Right here. This is your 1 hour resistance. What it is, Guala Louie, what's poppin', bro? How you doing, man? Long time no see. Long time no see. I told y'all I was gonna start this YouTube in, bro. We about to get it in all year, every day, every single day, gritting every morning, in the cold, in the warm. It doesn't matter, bro. We're here. My Zoom family in here too. They just chilling, right? They already know. Once we in the trade, we kick back. We gotta relax. We got to. Just part of it all, right? We had a nice little session before that. Got tapped out at break even. Right? So back to go. You was on that 1 minute confirmations, bro. Gotta be careful with them. Especially if you know what you don't know what you're doing, man. These 1 minutes, man, it's gonna burn you every time. Glad you on YouTube. That's love, bro. Thank you. Thank you. I think it's about time, bro. I kinda gave everyone before me, right, got on YouTube and stuff, and a lot of people were requesting me to be on YouTube, and right, yeah, no problem. We'll go. Just when you wanna sell, quote unquote, the high, make sure you get your confirmations in, bro. Like the people that I was on Zoom with, I told them, I'm gonna explain to you exactly what I told them. Why we didn't short here, right? Why didn't we short here? It was just way too obvious, right? And it wasn't appealing enough, right? There was no candle confirmation that told me to sell right here, right? And I told them, I said, when gold pushes up very aggressively, which it did, when gold does that, that's our entry. Why? It's simple, right? Let's go to the 5-minute. Break this shit down here, right? People are entering right here. They think, okay, first off, right? People were entering here, had their stops above this. This candle wicked you out. Well, let's try again. It's rejecting again. We're gonna put it above here, right? Boom, stopped you out again 2 times. Big big stop loss. People got slipped right here, right? People got slipped, I guarantee you. And now this is where we get in after the money's collected. Look left. What's left? Equal highs. 1 hour. Equal highs. All this right here, money, 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 right? Money, money, right? So eventually, we're catching the counter trend pullback, but eventually, where do you think we gotta go to, right? Think about that shit. Where's the money at? Where the fuck's the money at? Right? I usually use 1, 2, 3 engulfings at higher time resistance. At the case, it was a 1 hour. Yeah, bro. I mean, you gotta adapt to that. You gotta adapt to your environment, right? You got to adapt to your environment. 18 pips stop loss. This is moving very slow. All right, this is moving very slow. True that. You gotta adapt to the environment. If you got in on the 1 hour, that's perfect. Or if you got in at a 1 hour resistance, which was right here at the time, that's perfect. I just knew personally that there's tons of money waiting here. And I told my team, I said, bro, it's not ready yet. I told them, I said, it's not ready yet. Just bucking about. Now we got a nice little wick entry. We just gonna kick back, relax. We ain't even trip about the drawdown. We entered this trade, I didn't feel the drawdown, you know what I mean? I do gotta bring water to these sessions, bro. I already feel my mouth getting dry here. Right now we're still overall bullish. We're counter trending. Counter trend trading. The first position or the first level that I'm keeping in mind already is right here. 15-minute zone right here. Why? We could just reject straight off of that and continue higher. Because why? It's a 15-minute resistance. Right? But once you start enough to enter the trade and take advantage of the pullback, yeah, exactly. That's exactly what I did. That's exactly what my team and I did, bro. We're in this short. That's exactly what you saw. Yeah, it was kind of hard getting in on this trade. Cause so what I used was this second bullish candle. Give me a second. I gotta watch it. Gotta see what they whispering to me. Cause now we're at that zone, right? The 30 minutes is still closed, but the 30 minutes is at a very crucial zone. Right? If I see any type of 5-minute closing somehow, some way that I don't like, what do you think I'm gonna do? Right? I'm up 13 pips. We're aiming for more, but we would like to get these buys in. Right? If we get the buys in, that'll be perfect, man. Buys is perfect. It's just I just haven't gotten a chance yet to get in where I wanted to get in. I want to buy down here. I want to buy down here. Right? Even better, right here. Right? Are we going to get that low? I hope. Right? You can't predict that. Right? But buying up here, it's not for me. I can't do that. It's too high for me. I got to catch it lower. Yo, that's what's up, man. First stream on 25 watchers. That's pretty cool, man. Hit that like button. My guy, we live. What up, Renee? How you doing, bro? Thank you for tuning in, man. Man of your word, man of your word. He said he'll tap in with me. Renee said he'll tap in with me. That's love right there. Cut it. Cut it. Oh, where did the thing go? Right. I'm about to give people a lot of nuggets, man. A lot of nuggets. A lot. Right? A lot of nuggets. This is every day now. Yeah, Zoom chat blocked the price. That's okay. That's fine. The Oh, I know what you mean. I see what you mean. I see what you're. Let's put on this side then. All right. Let's put on that side. All right. How's that better? Shahab? I don't want to say your name wrong. Oh, but now my camera's in the way. Still got to tweak around a bit with that. Let's see. What about here? Barbados. Yes, sir. My man's from Barbados. Tuned in from Barbados. You know what I mean? Nah, I don't like that. You know, this stream, I keep it here. Next stream, I'm gonna manage my camera around, and I got you, bro. Trust. But now look, exactly what I said. What's the 5 minute doing? Right? We're counter trend trading, so you really gotta manage your trade at this point. You really gotta just be careful. Right? If the 5 minute closes at any type of rejection candle, let me see here. My trade is up. Okay. Any type of rejection, especially when we already dropped down and we already in drawdown. I hate going in. I hate coming down and then having your trade go right back in drawdown. I hate that. I can't stand that shit. Can't stand it. Right. So now we just gotta be patient. 15 minute closes in 5 minutes. 30 minute closes in 5 minutes. 1 hour closes in 5 minutes. But you'll be surprised. I saw the 1 hour do a lot of crazy stuff in 30 seconds. All right. Now, especially around this zone, as I said, this is the first zone you want to be careful with. Especially around this zone, if we start engulfing candles on the lower time frames, what do you think I'm gonna do? You think I'm gonna watch it and let it stop me out? No. You think I'm gonna sit in drawdown? No. Right? That's how you keep your account. That's how you keep your account alive longer, right? Manage that risk. You don't like something, you see something that you don't like this right here, engulfing at the zone that I said we gotta be careful with. What do you think I'm gonna do right now? Minimize my stop loss at this time. This time I will. I'm gonna minimize my stop loss. All right. So I just put my stop loss right here. Where is it? Right here. Right. Just minimized it. Right. So let's see what happens, man. 5 minutes, 3 minutes to all the candles close. Now, two scenarios that's going through my head right now. The next 1 hour candle. What broker do I like? IC Markets. And currently I'm on my funded account. The broker sucks. The broker on my funded account is garbage. They slipped me last week like a motherfucker. Had a 15 pips stop loss. Ended up losing 60 pips. But the best overall broker if you're in Europe, IC Markets. Most definitely one of the best. Right? No, there's nothing better than that. Everyone in Europe knows that. That's the best broker. All right. So what's going through my mind right now, since we're in these shorts, we have already minimized our risk by a bit, right? So we had a, what's that? 20 pips stop first, or 18 pips, something like that. 17 pips. Now, whoops. Now we're at right about here. Right? We're at a what? 11 pips. Took 5 pips off the table. That's not bad. Right? So look at this candle engulfing right here. Exactly what I said. Right at this zone. Very dangerous. Very dangerous. And it's doing that because it's the 1 hour close. So if the 1 hour, now what's going through my mind is the next 1 hour candle, since this 1 hour candle didn't close in any reversal pattern / candle The next 1 hour candle, what it could do is bounce up right here, right? Bounce up, or reject or keep going. Possibilities, they're there, right? But me, this is my first month back trading. I'm only taking one trade. If I win that, I win that. If I lose that, I lose that. I don't care, right? What's my fun account? What's that shit called? I think it's fun. Hold up, bro. Forex funds. There it is. It's Forex funds, bro. That's my funded account. The brokers suck. Their brokers are garbage. I'll tell you the truth. That's one thing. One thing. If you guys are gonna tap into the live, I'm very honest. I don't give a fuck about your feelings or nobody else's. If I don't like something you say, I'm gonna confront you about it. If you do something I don't like, I'm gonna tell you. If you dislike me because I tell you that, then that's your fault. I'm just being real. All right. 5 minute, 15 minute, 15 minute, very strong candle actually. 30 minute, 1 hour. 1 hour rejected fucking like crazy. 1 hour closed like crazy, right? Let me fix my TP here. I'm gonna put this at that 4 hour zone right here. You know, come down to that 4 hour zone. Yep. See here. All right. Yo, what's going on, J Gab? Can you explain your thinking behind your trade? Yeah, I got you. So, ooh, this is a reversal candle. 5 minute. So my thinking behind this trade was, first off, right, let's look at the daily, right? Where are we at on a daily? We're at resistance. Daily resistance. So think of the daily as like the 4 hour. Don't think of it as the daily being, right? So if the 4 hour candles create resistance, you're not going to sell right at the resistance, right? You're going to wait for the top wick to form. That's always what's going through my mind. You got to wait for the top wick to form and that stop hunt that it was doing, right? So we had this 4 hour level right here that I saw right up in here. Very strong zone, right? And the 4 hour closed below it as well. The 4 hour just closed. Very strong zone. And I didn't enter right at the start of the I didn't enter at the start because it was a little too obvious right here, right? It was rejecting. Didn't really see a reversal candlestick pattern at all. And I wasn't comfortable with this because it was doing all these down moves at the beginning of the 15-minute candle. You never really want to enter a trade on the beginning of the 15-minute candle because what it's normally doing, especially when you're counter trend trading, it's making the bottom wick. High probability that's doing that right now. Just making a bottom wick to tap down into the support to then wick right back up and leave you stuck, right? So I saw that and I told the team, I was like, all right, look, we're not gonna get in here. We're gonna wait for the aggressive spike, and then we're gonna look at smaller time frames to get in that short after all the money was created or collected. So, like I said before, there's stop losses here, right? So you got to think of it like this. People are shorting here, right? But their stops right above the wick. Well, the people that are holding this, they just got stopped out. And you'd be surprised how many people still have stop losses at break even there. It doesn't matter. There's a lot, right? And that was kind of the reasoning behind this trade because of liquidity. Everyone got stopped out here. This has to go somewhere, right? This, what it just did, it has to go somewhere. If it doesn't go where we want it to, like I eventually want to come down here, then that's fine. But in the meantime, we're going to collect profits and make sure that we are, you know, making money. Right now we're making money. I already reduced my risk. And how did I get in on the smaller time frames? Is I use this candle right here. You have this rejection candle, and you have this candle right next to the rejection candle. And once you break that candle, once I broke this candle's low, once a candle broke that candle's low, like right here, that's where I got in. That's what the yellow line is about, right? That's my entry, right? Now we're at a very interesting zone here, all right? So we're up 18 pips, 20, sorry. We're up 20 pips, not bad. What I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna move my stops to break even, just because it'll be a shame if it went just like that. I'm at break even right now. Stops are at break even, and now we just look and see what our next possibilities are, right? If we get a nice entry, right? So the trade in my book is one, right? The trade is one in my book. Why? I'm in profit. That's one, and two, I'm at break even. So if I want to close the trade right now, I make money. I close the stream. I'll be done, right? But I still have my full position on. I didn't take any partials yet. I'll probably end up taking partials at this yellow bar. Why the yellow bar? That's the 1 hour resistance. So once you break, you need to retest, right? That's what I'm aiming for, the retest level. But goddamn, tomorrow I swear I gotta bring some water here in this live stream. I'm gonna go get some in a little bit. Right? 1 hour's engulfing. Right at this 15-minute zone that I don't like. Right? Or this 15-minute zone I don't like. Right? I don't want to see any rejections here. I don't want to see any fugazi shit here, because it could most like lately. I'm not gonna lie, gold has been respecting 15-minute zones like crazy. So the first 15-minute zone that it was respecting was right here. I remember this, right? I remember this because we were in shorts from like right here. We're in shorts, and it was respecting this zone. It kind of pissed me off. And then we closed once we saw the engulfing, right? So gold has been respecting 15-minute zones. Look back right here, 15-minute zone, 15-minute support. Right, it comes back, it blows away. Like, what are you doing, Mr. Gold? Right? So for the people that tuned in early, this was only supposed to be a trade for my Zoom people, right? But for the people that tuned in early, probably got in this trade, right?
Ooh, I'm missing something.
Yo, good morning, Mr. Dennis. Yeah,
Day.
we are in shorts. Um, and we're also on YouTube Live for the
Awesome.
first time. So for the people that did take this on YouTube, this is the area you gotta be careful. You should be at break even anyway. Type a 1 in the chat if you took this trade. If you didn't, that's good too. Shit, just watch, kick back, relax, learn something, ask questions, get better, perfect your craft. Okay. Yeah, see, this is where it's about to go down. It's about to go down right here. It is about to go down right here. Let me tell you about it. Let me tell you about it. Let's go, man. Quit playing with me, gold. Quit playing with me. You know who the fuck just traded you, boy? Go in my direction, the direction I want. God damn it. Hey, that's lit. 26 people tuned in for the very first time. That's pretty cool. That is pretty dope, man. That's pretty dope. That's love right there. That's what's up. That is what's up. Good morning, Mr. Pilt. Good morning, Mr. Pilt. How you doing this morning, man? We're at daily resistance right now. You see what I mean is how price needs to. This is to JGAB. See what I mean? How price needs to spike up first, get into the wicks, and then reject. It's not always gonna tap in here real nice and reject. That's what it is about the higher time frames. So this 15-minute structure, I would love to see it to get broke. We have 5 minutes. In this 5 minutes, we need to close below this zone. And that's like our first. That's like our first zone that we beat. Let's say, right? If the 1 hour closes anywhere below this zone, then it's engulfing. That's even better for us. But we have 15 minutes to wait. I'm gonna be here chilling. Everyone here should be chilling. You shouldn't be looking to over risk. You shouldn't be looking to over trade. If you missed a move, you missed a move. Fuck it. It's Monday, right? Let's look at news. Is there any news? Today's flash PMI, manufacturing PMI. They're calling negative numbers, which means a positive goal. We might get a positive spike in there somewhere. But that just all depends on the actual what pops out. Mr. John, welcome, Mr. John. Right? So we're looking good. The trade's looking beautiful right now. The trade's looking beautiful. Right? Now we just gotta chill. We just gotta kick back, chill. There's nothing to do now. We're in profit. Stops our break even. There's nothing to do. Only thing I still need to do is journal my trade, but I'll do that later. Alright? See how I was messing about at the daily resistance? I just want the 15-minute close below the zone. The 15-minute doesn't close below the zone, I'll be messed up. Alright. 26 likes, that's dope. That means everyone came in here and liked it. At least. Right? That's dope. 5-minute. Look at here. Look at here. The 15-minute got to close below this zone, man. That's the first. That is the first. Look at that. 5-minute engulfed. What's happening now? What do we do now? Well, it's not hard. We're going to take some money off the table. Simple. Exactly what I said. The zone that I was afraid of. Look what it did. Let's take off some of the table just like that. Boom. We're going to leave the rest run, man. Simple. Five-minute engulfing. 15-minute rejected this area hard. Daily resistance. 15-minute structure. Support structure. Very strong as well. What it also could be is the 1 hour bottom wick, right? Exactly like I said. Stops are at break even. This blue zone is the zone that I was scared of. Also daily resistance. Once we saw it break in the high, I cut like 80%. I'm not messing about. I need my money. Right? If it stops me out at break even, that's cool with me too. I got 18 pips out of it today. And that's fine. Do I want to hold it? No. Why not? Why are you on drawdown when your trade dropped to 2-to-1? What's the point? Right? 30-minute flipped. 1 hour is flipping. Now the 1 hour, what it could do is pop right back up in here again, just like that, and start rejecting again. Will I get in? No. Because now that means that this zone isn't strong enough. We're still bullish. So what's the next zone we're gonna look at to potentially short? Right here. This zone isn't it? It's this zone. right? It has to come down to retrace anyway. It has to. Keep that shit in mind. Keep it in mind. Look at that one. Look at that 5-minute candle engulfed 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 candles, right? Now the best thing to do right now would just be cutting the whole trade, but I cut 80%, right? Took off a big chunk of the table. I had my dub. We're at break even. We're chilling. First trade of the week. Chilling. And that's what makes counter trending so dangerous. A lot of people get emotional, right? And they think, oh yeah, this is the top. Never the top. You never know when the top's gonna happen. Only thing you could do is react on probabilities here, right? It could even fake me out and drop lower. Fuck it, right? Probably showed me an engulfing, so I'm gonna act on that engulfing, right? I'm gonna act on it. Take money off the table. Yo, what up, AJ? You say, yep, cut it. Yeah, bro. Can't fuck about. Can't fuck about. You gotta get your money, get out. Get your money, dip. Don't even mess with it. Right? 5-minute engulfed 2 candles and is about to close bullish. I'm not buying this high. I'm only no. I couldn't do it. Couldn't do it. Alright. Now what would be dope is if we get a 4-hour doji close, if we get a bunch of consolidation here, but I don't think that's gonna happen. Right, so we got a dub for the day. What I do want to test out is once we get up on there, or once we get up on this second red area right here, I do want to get in some shorts right here for sure, for sure. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put an alarm first right here, just like that. Once per minute, notify on app at sell zone, create, right? Yep. All right. That is set, and it might reject right now and just break lower. You never know, man. You never know. That's gold for you in a nutshell, right? Ooh, this is the 15-minute open. This is the bottom wick for the 15-minute. Guaranteed. Where's he gonna go to? Look at that. Fat engulfing. Smart decisions, man. Boy! Boy! Guala guala. Let me I gotta do this real quick. Real quick. Gotta drag that quickly to the left side. Cause I don't want y'all in my business, man. Cause I'm a businessman. Hey. Let me get my dude in real quick. Let me get my dude in here real quick, man. All right. 1843.8. You got me beat. about 2 pips. But at this point, my stops are at break even. I already collected 80%. Right. At this point, stops are at break even. Yo, what up? What up? What up?
Yo, what's up? Yeah, YouTube was on at the same time, so it was like
2 voices.
double sound. Yeah, double sound. Yeah. Oh
Yep.
shit.
Yep. So I already closed 80% on this trade.
This trade, man, I'd be laughing my ass off.
What?
Nah, bro. When it shot all the way up, I took an entry at 143.8, where your stop loss is.
Yeah, I already knew. No, my stop loss is here.
Oh, okay.
That's not where my stop loss is at.
The fucked up part was I secured some and then I got stopped out.
Yeah.
I had
Exactly.
like 0.5 pips or something. Fucking annoying. It was stupid though. I shouldn't have put the stop loss at break even, but it was a funny trade. Look at GJ.
Yeah, my stops are at break even.
GJ might be something soon. Getting into a buy zone.
Let me see.
But you
here.
passed that 200 subscriber mark, man.
Yeah,
Big man.
Thank you. I haven't even looked at GJ. Look, like, what is this level even? Oh.
Yeah.
It makes sense why that level's there. That's the only level that needs to be there.
Yep.
I'm not trading GJ though.
Yeah.
Haven't looked at GJ. Haven't traded GJ. Let me see if this stop broke me out. Tapped me out at BE. Not yet. Still up 5 pips. It will though eventually, unless we reject this area right here, right?
Yeah, man. I saw that 5-minute break of structure.
Yeah, that's pretty
That
lit.
4 hour was lit, man. How that closed.
Yeah. The 4 hour closed pretty good, but I don't think it's enough.
Yeah, the wick is big, but it's and it closed below that zone. But might just feel 50% of that wick.
Yep. What could happen is this 4 hour candle starts consolidating here somewhere near our entry.
Yeah.
And then closes like some doji type like.
Yeah.
And then it could continue lower, right after like a doji or. But I think New York is gonna bring the move.
Yeah, that might be it. For myself, I'm looking to see if it can pull back just below the lows at 28, 29, 28 right there, and look for some potential buys somewhere. Right there on those areas, get those lows broken, and look for potential buys back to 1850 and sell from there. Or there, that's also a zone that I've marked up.
I was just about to say, I'm only buying right there.
Yeah, the same zone. I've got a couple zones, but I have multiple shots I can take, so I don't care if I take a loss. Take the probability in it.
Yeah, I took this trade. I already collected 80%. Stops at break even. This is dub for me.
Yeah, I took 2 losses. I first took a gold trade, got stopped out, and then took a GJ trade. And with this gold trade, I make more than both losses. So this thing.
Risk to reward is key, man.
I don't care about those losses. I really don't give a shit.
Risk to reward is key. Remember what I told you? I'm like, yeah, I'm taking a break out of trading.
Yeah.
In the first week I got back, I lost 3 trades.
Damn, boy.
And I won 1. But that one trade
that gives you all of it.
Gave me all my money.
Yep.
I made more money than I lost just because of risk to reward.
Risk to reward. It's the power. I see those 1-to-1 trades all the time, but they don't make sense in the long term.
We caught this trades. What was it, bro? I know. What was it? It was on the beginning of the month, somewhere on the 3rd of January. It was short. It just cracked down. Ooh, yeah, it was this one.
Oh shit, that dropped.
Yeah, we caught that motherfucker. The whole thing, bro. It was like wee. The whole thing. I remember that. And then the days after, the 3 days after, loss. I was like, come on, man. Then the next week went like 6-2.
If you go to the first time we went up to like 1870, scroll back to 1870, and on to the left. Yeah, so at that first wick, you see that massive wick.
This one?
Yeah, I wasn't the top. I wasn't the top on the sell. Like the top. I was in like 60, 68 something, like top. And I held it all the way down.
Imagine it not.
200 something pips.
Imagine this not happening, and you would just hearing. You just had it breathing here for like a quick, cool little. Ooh,
Yeah.
that's a lot. Yeah, that's higher time frame. 43 pip draw is a lot. I mean, for some people it's not, but for me it is.
Yeah,
And then
I know.
eventually 150 pip draw. Fuck that. But to then come back and drop 1,000. Got him. 1 to 9 risk reward. Ooh,
Let me like the stream for right now.
leaky. Yeah, I was actually surprised that 32 people tapped in. Honestly,
That's nice, right?
I was very
Slowly.
surprised. I thought it was gonna be like just 8, 7 of us just chilling in here. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but we got more than 40 subscribers, so these people want to tune in.
Yeah,
They want
man.
to see who this guy. Oh wait, we already know him.
It's Guala Bank Robber.
You know the vibe.
I haven't heard that song in like a long time, man.
No, Sam, I played it. I think a couple months ago. Someone
Yeah.
and he was like, "Oh shit, that's actually pretty lit, but never dropped."
Wait, did this motherfucker just?
Hmm.
Oh, I was about to say. I thought it stopped me out. I was like, what? No way, man. Okay, yeah. So this for the YouTube. Let me just point out some pointers here. What's going through my mind? 'Cause I feel like that's important. So here on a 5-minute, if you see, it starts at the 5-minute and it ends on a lot higher time frames, right? Kind of had just like a break and retest of structure. Now this is a little advanced concept, so if you're new, don't right?
Don't try this at home.
Don't try this at home.
Yeah, it's also just meeting those ends and filling those imbalances at the 15.
Yeah. So what it actually did do is kind of retraced, engulfed, and now we should technically, based off candlesticks, we should see a lower low formed, right? So we should actually break this right here. If we don't, then we create a double bottom ish. No, wait, that's wrong. If we don't, then we create a double bottom to then continue higher, right? And then this will be the neckline. So the 15-minute closes in 5 minutes. I want this 15-minute candle closing below the blue zone, sort of say, right? 30-minute candle, if it closes like this, 1 hour candle still open. We got a half hour, right? Kind of doji like. If it closes doji like this, then expect the next 1 hour candle to give you a wick to then for real drop. So right now it's just playing with the patience. It's not stopping us out, which is pretty dope, right?
I wanted to re-enter, but I was like, no, I made too many trades.
No, I'm not entering anything soon anymore. If this stops me out at break even, then the next entry that I'm looking at is right here at that daily support zone.
Someone in the chat saying, "Do you buy at 135 flat?"
Please look
I
at
think-
this. Let me see.
I think I was looking at that before. I would be waiting probably for the weekly zone. I would be waiting for weekly 1.4, 344, 472. That might be looking better for rejection. But 4-hour wise,
What do you say? 1 point.
I don't know, maybe 1.33624. I would rather be looking for sells at 1.37050. That's my plan for GU.
So okay, yeah, you do have a weekly resistance here. Let me go to the daily. Let me go to the monthly first. So the monthly rejected off of a monthly level. So put this in perspective real quick. Don't think of this as a 4-hour. Think of this as a don't think of this as a monthly. Think of this as like a 4-hour. So I'm gonna mark it up exactly like it'll be a 4-hour. And this is how you get good, right? You have a 4-hour resistance right here. Now I'm saying 4-hour, but it's really monthly, so don't get it twisted, right? And you have a 4-hour support right here. You couldn't break this zone. What range are you in? On the monthly time frame, what range are you in? The monthly closes this week, right? So right now you're stuck from here to here. This is your range on the monthly time frame. So if we reject the monthly resistance, where should you crack down to? The monthly support. Look at the weekly now. The weekly, we're gonna make this the 4-hour as well. This isn't the weekly, this is the 4-hour, right? And that's how you get better with your higher time frame zones. Think of them as like the weekly or the 4-hour, sorry. 1 week candle closed very strong bearish, creating resistance. This week candle, well, I wouldn't call that an engulfing yet. This week's candle already gave you the top wick on a Monday, right? And now it should be cracking down. It could give you some sort of thing right here, some sort of rejection. But overall, just looking at it on the weekly, right, it's giving you swing highs, swing lows to a certain point, right? So where potentially could you short this to?
4-hour. If you go 4-hour, 1.3750. It's a nice
4-hour, 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 4-hour. Shit. This is why I don't
right
like
in there, red zone.
This is why I don't like GU, bro. This is, look at this. You can't find a perfect zone to trade off of here, bro. What is this? It made a nice move up.
I'll be looking right there.
Yep, exactly. Where is that? Right there, yeah. That was your short opportunity as well. But I wouldn't look for any type of, why is my alarm still going off? I would be very, very, very cautious with buys at this point.
It's bearish, higher time frame bearish.
This is the range you're also in on the weekly. Right here, the same range. It's the same thing. Now, if you create resistance, you should be coming down to the next support level. Right? Use the higher time frames in confluence with the lower time frames, and that's how you catch the movement. That's how you get good at trading. Right? Yeah. I've been known gold was gonna go bullish. Why? Because the monthly time frame, the first half of the month, look at this. Let's get rid of all this. And let me annotate on Zoom so it doesn't keep popping up here. Let me annotate like this. So let me do that. So you have on gold, same thing.
Looking.
On gold, you have a resistance right here, right? You have a support right here, and you have a resistance right up in here. This candle broke your resistance. This candle right here wicked down at the support. It really didn't tap the support, but it wicked down on the first half of the month. The first half of the month, you come down. The second half of the month should be going up, right? Look at it. Simple. Just look at the higher time frames and think of them as lower time frames. That's how I mark up. That's how I think. That's how I got better. And then you pinpoint it, right? And then you look what could happen. Where we at, right? And exactly like I said was going to happen, it starts at the 5-minute and ends at the higher time frames. I said we should be creating a lower low, right? Now, one thing I did do was I managed my risk by closing 80%, but that's cool, right? That's the mentality that I have. I don't leave money on the table. Fuck that shit. I take everything off, right? So, Vladlis, wow, I'm going to just call you GRU. I hope you kind of learned something from that shit. Because it starts at the monthly, then you look at the weekly, then you look at the daily, then you pinpoint your zones on the 4-hour, and then you go with the trend. Now I'm counter trend trading, but I know what I'm doing, so I could do that. What about Euro USD? What about it? Relaxing mod? Gold's melting? Yeah. As suspected.
From this angle, bro, you're looking like Floyd Money Mayweather.
Real. I ain't got money like him though, but I can fight like him. Fuck you mean, boy? I ain't got money like him though. Not yet, at least.
Soon.
Not yet. I give it to you.
Big man thing.
Who want it? Looking ass. All right, yeah, let's get back to business. Shit, he need to tap in with me. He need to give me. Let's say Floyd, he got a million like that anyway. But give me $1 million. I'll make that motherfucker double so quick, boy. Oh man,
Bro,
dope.
you know how much this guy earns a minute in a fight? You don't even want to know.
Yeah, I don't. It's just leaking. Nice. Simple. Luke and Guala, you guys click. You really support each other. You're great. Yes, sir. That man's
You
a
know the
legend.
vibe.
That
You know
man's
the
a
vibe.
legend.
Vice versa.
Now, we broke the trend line. We just got to close,
Yeah,
right?
man. Just going downtown, man. Bro, I
Yeah,
wish I
gold's
was in
chilling. Gold's chilling. Big chilling. See, you take the trade. You put your stops at break even. And then you got a good chair like me. You do this. Right? You just watch it. You watch your money. That's it. Simple. Where you from, my guy? I was born in Colorado, Denver, but I live in Belgium. Long story why I live here. Right? What's up, Joe Scott?
I don't know if
Poppin',
you're
bro.
gonna. I know if you're gonna do the same thing, but Mayweather made 60,000 a second.
Oh. Yep, in profits. Yeah, bro. Lit. Whoever took this trade, you should be in profits just chilling right now, right? Look at these 5-minute candles are closing very bullish right now. This was just a pullback to a support level. 15 minutes is leaking.
Oh man, I wish I wasn't that stupid. Put the stop loss a little bit. I only had a 5 pip stop. I put it at break even.
5 pip stop.
Tapped out by 0.7 pip tap out. Fucked up. I was dumping.
Yeah, this is taking a shit. That's lit. All right, so now we have another zone, right? You know, I hope you know what would be what would be perfect for gold right now if we break the structure and of course close below it. That'd be perfect. But stay in mind, always be careful because we are still in a bullish market sentiment structure, right? We're still bullish. Look at that. Didn't even tap. It's already rejecting. So now what we could expect is, what you could do here for sure. This was my first TPT right here. This was my first one right at this line. What you could do is, whoever's in this trade, I know, what's his name in here? Renee, I know he in there in this trade. Secure some profits, man. For sure.
He's clap.
The fuck was that?
Some weird people in my house.
Somebody's about to get shot.
Nah, bro. Nah. Right, so secure some profits in here. Most
That
definitely.
yellow line on point.
Yeah, most definitely.
Point.
Should be up right now. 40 pips. 40 pip trade. Very beautiful. Beautiful trade. Beautiful market structure. Beautiful thinking. All right, this trade's a dub. For sure. Mayweather. Connor makes more. Connor got his ass beat. So it doesn't matter. Got socked on by Floyd, boy.
In that fight against them, he made 85, Connor, and fucking Mayweather made 275.
But they get like so much money just off like the shorts they wear with the sponsors on it. Just the sponsors, bro. When you're that big, you only get bigger sponsors, man. It's insane. The money that they get is insane.
I mean, McGregor, he earned The Forbes say he earned 180 million.
That's a lot of money right there. Right? That's a lot of money. That's nice. That's nice living right there.
And 2021 for Mayweather.
Look at that. Let's see here. Mayweather earned in some million per minute. Yeah. You rob too many banks and they have to move. Maybe.
I can't find that Forbes.
But I'll rob them legally though, bro.
He's
I'll rob them legally. Robbing. That's gonna be the titles every day. Live stream. Robin Gold. First stream of the year. Tomorrow I'm gonna be like, ooh, this is taking a shit, boy. This is taking a dookie. Dukinator. Oh, this is beautiful.
Imagine the taxes though. Mike Tyson got hit by that.
Yeah, in the States, the taxes here would be fucking crazy.
If you be taxed over here, you've got nothing left.
Tell me about it. I'll be right back. I gotta go to the bathroom. I'll be right back.
Oh my days. Shoot. So, any more questions? Is anybody else in a certain trade or something? Anybody else in pound yen or GU or whatever gold trade? Anybody got some entries in this thing or not? Where y'all entered? What's the entries? Let's see. Mm. 142.81, bro. That's a good entry. GJ already closed partial. Nice. Sold EU. Ooh, men like Joe selling EU. Okay. 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 Where from?
Boom.
Where did you sell EU from? GA sell at 1.89260.
Back in action. All right,
Yeah,
let's see.
vibe.
What's going on here? Yeah, exactly like I said. Look at this motherfucking 1 hour zone being respected. We're still bullish though, so keep in mind. Let's see here what the chat talking about. Sponsors profit cut and whatnot. Yeah, for sure they do. But shit, you could give me a percent on a million or something. 10% on a million. That's a lot of money.
Nah, man. Fuck that.
1842, 81, brand. 1842. Why you say that?
What?
Sold EU. GA sells at 1.89. I'm not gonna look at that shit, bro. Send me a chart. Oof, oof, oof.
Oh, I asked them. Is anyone in any trade?
Oh. Ooh, this just shot the fuck up. That's why I said collect profits right here.
You need to collect everywhere where price has a potential level where it could push away from. That's where you need to get your profits collected.
Facts. Big facts.
Not about the amount of pips. It's about where the potential is, where price could pull away.
Exactly. So now what I'm thinking is what it potentially could do is, follow structure, right? Follow structure, come back here, make a lower low. The 1 hour candle. 17 minutes still closed. If the 1 hour closes like this, perfect. But I seen the 1 hour candle flipping like the last 30 seconds. So the you gotta be really careful with the 1 hour candle. Joe, send a chart, bro.
Who?
Mr. Joe Scott, MC.
All right,
Send
Joe,
a
you know
chart,
the
bro.
vibe. Yeah, see.
Let's see what you talking about. Oh, I see. Shazad is in 1842 trade here. Good shit.
Okay.
You too, West African Sylvester, bro. Send a chart. Let's see what you talking about. Let's see what you're thinking. Let's break it down. Right? Let's break it down. Now you gotta wait for the 1 minute to close, or the 1 minute, 1 hour to close in 15 minutes. Let's see what it does. You don't want it to close rejecting. Bad. Closing like this will be perfect, because in the next 1 hour candle should leave a top wick somewhere, and then continue lower, potentially. Alright, that's dope. 33 people watching, 36 likes. That's dope. That means that everyone that tapped in liked it.
100% like rate, fam.
Yeah, that's dope. Everyone that tapped in liked it. And some of them liked it and left. That's love right there. It's like, I can't stay for long, but let me just like it. That's dope. That is dope. Alright. Now we also got.
Ooh, look at it pull back. Rejection candle.
Yeah. Yep. That's looking good. Profits looking real good. Profits looking beautiful. It's rejecting off that zone. We got another zone down here, don't we? Yeah, we do. Another 1 hour zone right up in here. Look at that. Which we do gotta break again. We gotta break all these levels. Right? We gotta break all these levels right here.
Yep.
5 minute. 5 minute look like we're about to
Mad thing. You know the vibes, one.
Look at that, 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 look at that. Alright, that's cool. We got you back, bro. Yeah. Can't leave something I love doing, man. Trading is my shit. I love this shit. More than anything. I quit my job. I said, fuck you. Spit in my boss's face.
Now? What's the situation now?
I said, fuck you, motherfucker. I'ma fuck your daughter. And I left. Nah, I quit. Fully.
You fully quit.
I fully quit.
You didn't
No, I got like 2 months off the what do you call that? What's the word in English? Ziekkost. What's that word in English where they pay you when you sick? Sick leave, I think. I got like 2 months off of that, and then I said, "Fuck y'all, man, motherfuckers." Let's see.
Oh my
This is
God.
my idea on GA. I like that.
How long did you do that for by the other one? How long was that? Like a year or something? How fucking long was that?
That was a minute. That was like 7 months. How you do that shit, Luke? You just paste it? No, I know how you do it. You go to trading view first.
7 months.
Chilling, bro.
I'd be mad as fuck if I was your boss. I'll be whooping your ass.
Only thing I was doing was trading, partying, and getting like double paid. I was chilling.
Mad.
Right. Let me bring that here. And now what? I get rid of this, right? Paste.
Yeah, get rid of that and then do do that. Then do 1 slash away because now it fucked up. There's delete this part. No. It's good. Delete. Yes, from there till like yes, delete that. Delete. Oh, it's not live anymore. I can't see it. Fuck. No, do that slash. Yeah, do that.
Give
Type
me
it
a
again.
second.
Do it again. And then do the whole part away. Everything. Oh, the last slash as well. Last slash as well. No.
This
Only the
shit?
last slash on .com. You
Oh,
see
okay, yeah.
.com slash. Only that slash away, and then paste it.
And then paste it.
Because then you got the new slash from the copy part.
Okay, man's gotta learn how to do this shit. Alright. What is this? 4-hour Liver sterling, dollar Australian. Okay. Let's see. Selling here at the 1-hour zone after a previous 4-hour rejection. Where's your take profit? Can't I go here to the live chart?
Fucking Australian, fucking alien things, man.
Let's
Read that again.
Yeah, that's kind of weird. Australian. That's he got set up in his language though.
Yeah.
Let's look at GA real quick.
It's a big man thing.
So we got 4-hour zone right here. Got 4-hour zone right here. GA settings. Tap in there like that. Matter of fact, let me do this. Ooh, damn. All right. Move drawings. Look at that. That's beautiful right there. Wait a little longer, and I'm gonna tell you why. Or wait, let me see. So we got monthly resistance right here. That's already kind of rejecting off, and we kind of have the monthly support zone right here. Let's go to the 4-hour. Let's go that. Okay. Nice rejection candle. 1-hour candle. Consolidation. Daily. Daily is still very bullish at the moment. So, oh damn, weekly rejected. So yeah, the shorts are, it makes a lot of sense. You're not shorting that. You're not. You're shorting at a very strong. You're shorting at a monthly level, right? You have a weekly level. You have a daily level as well. So you're shorting at a very strong level, right? Now, the only thing that you should wait for is you already have a 4-hour rejection candle right here. Let's go to the 1-hour. The 1-hour kind of poked its head in there, but it closes in 9 minutes and looks like it's about to break that. So what I would do is wait for like a very nice price action. Wait for the money to get collected, let's sort of say, right? What I would do personally is I wouldn't short right here yet, unless it's very obvious and it's telling me to short right here. But I'll wait for price to spike up in here somewhere, right above this resistance. Let's see here to the left. Yeah. And then same kind of setup as gold, like wait for it to spike up. And then short, right? Once it grabs everyone's money, right up in here. Cuz you got to think everyone's trading from up here with their stop losses above like that, right? People want to hold trades. People got their stops at break even, trying to short it because they see the same thing you're seeing. And now just wait. Just wait for that nice price action. You still got 4 hours left for the, or 3 hours left for the 4-hour candle to close. So you have time. But you see already it's rejecting here. You have time though. I would wait for a little higher wick because you also have this wick right here. It could potentially fill it. I don't believe in wick fills that much because 9 times out of 10 the wick doesn't get filled all the way. It'll either stop here or here, right? So look into this wick for short, right? Unless it's telling you right here, like, yeah, I'm getting ready to short me now, right? Probabilities, man, probabilities, bro. See what gold is doing. I mean, okay, gold. Okay, gold. 15-minute closes in 7 minutes. Close very strong. 30-minute rejecting very hard. 1-hour rejecting very hard. 4-hour. I think we might have the bottom wick of the 4-hour candle right here. All right. I think we might have the bottom wick of the 4-hour candle. I'm already in shorts and I'm not going to buy it here. I feel like this is just too high for me to buy. Now what could happen is that we follow market structure and we break lower. And we tap into this area right here. It didn't break lower, but we'll see. My stop's been at break even and I already collected profits, so I'm gonna just let it roll. Just see what it does. Let's see here. Is it reasonable to enter shorts gold 1840 with 1843 stop loss? 1840. with 1843 stop loss. Right? Right here? 1840, 1843 you said? No. Why'd you do that? I wouldn't do that. I mean, you're following structure, which is good, right? You have a 30 pip, around 30 to 35 pip stop. Go to the 5 minute. Let me mark this zone off real quick where it's at. It's like up in here. Let me go to 5 minute. It makes sense. I like what you're thinking here, but I feel like I wouldn't short anything right now looking like this. Cause it could just, like, gold is a motherfucker. Like I said, it rejects and it's gone, right? Now, one thing I am thinking that it could do is the 1 hour could close like this, and then the next 1 hour candle could tap into the support or into the resistance and leave another wick to then fill this wick, which happens a lot, right? But I don't think at this area, not right now. Maybe you should wait for like another 15-minute candle to close doji or rejection and then get in on a 5 minute short, right? Thanks. I was stopped out at 5 pips. I'm waiting as you said. Let's see here. Oh, that was on GA, right? GBP AUD. Let's see here. It's rejecting again. It's knocking on the door. See now, this looks better. Right? This looks better. But at the end of the day, it's your trading plan, right? It's your trading plan. You gotta trust what you saw. Right? I'm giving you my perspective, but you still gotta trust what you saw. Now, if it rejected from right here and just crashed, I'd feel sorry because you listened to my perspective of the story, right? Because look at this. It gives you. I just don't like GA, bro. It's too choppy, bro. Look at this. You can't. It's not clean. It's a dirty pair to trade, man. 15-minute hanging man. Spiked above here. Stop losses collected, gone. So 4 hour. Now if the 4 hour flips bullish or bearish, if you get a break below here, below this 4 hour zone, right? You're most definitely catching this area right here. Most definitely, just based off the 4 hour. High percentage. What would you say right here? He said, waiting for gold to create a new support on the 30-minute, higher low. Yeah, you could do that. You're still bullish. You're still very bullish. But I'm in shorts from up here, so I'm good. I don't like the idea of buying. I don't like the idea of buying high, buying the last leg up for the squeeze. Like, how much further can it go? You're at a very strong support or resistance. You're gonna have to wait for New York for that to break. 100% guaranteed. 100%. You're gonna have to wait for New York. Right? New York's going to be the catalyst of it pushing up or just clapping down. But honestly, I feel like we need to come down. I might not be right, but I don't want to buy anywhere in these areas. Right? I want to buy right here at this zone, at the break of the structure. I want to get the retest of the structure and buy that. Simple. I got a very, very, very good position, so I can just let it run now. All right? It's 12 a.m. In an hour, there's a volume push. That always happens on gold. In an hour, get it in. Gold going to 1850 for sure. High probability, bro. High probability. We're still bullish. Like I said, the market's still bullish. I just refuse to buy somewhere along in these areas. I don't like that. Look how much of a move it had already made. Look at the move that it's already been making, all right? Look at that move. You have news. Look at the news, right? Let's only look at the red folders. Tomorrow, USD, nothing, right? I'm not looking at the orange folders or the yellow ones. Then you have the interest rates, right? At 8 p.m. on Wednesday. Then you have the FOMC press conference, right? The interest rates, every time they're cut the same, gold has tanked 700 to 1,000 pips. Maybe now I'm over exaggerating, but it drops bad. Every time rates has been kept the same, go back Forex Factory, look at the dates, it's tanked. It's never went up when rates has been kept the same, right? Advanced GDP, they're calling positive numbers, which means negative gold, right? But that's only if the actual pops up to be really negative. And then here they keep it the same on a Friday. So my train of thought is, when you're up here buying, I'm selling, right? You're up here trying to buy, I'm selling that. I'm still selling that. Why am I still selling that shit? The news all week is saying positive numbers, so we should be coming in, gold should be coming in negative here, right? And I'm never buying this high, ever. Simple. FOY.FYI. McCarthy, I don't understand, bro. Sorry. I don't understand what you're saying, bro. 5-minute flipping bearish, 15-minute bottom wick for sure. That's a strong 15-minute close. 30-minute rejected. 1 hour closed bearish, right? So let's see. Let's see what happens. I mean, I already collected my profits and I'm already chilling at this point. So what happens, happens. Right? These buys could have been nice, you know. 1 hour rejection. Possibly, what could happen right now, which I already said, get a wick. We get this 1 hour support right here. Get a tap into this area and reject again. For then the second half hour, the 1 hour candle. That's a bot? Yeah, that shit's weird. I'm about to block his ass if you don't start speaking English correctly. Take a picture of his name. If you don't start saying like real stuff, you hit. Think I'm playing. Think I'm playing with boy. They don't know me.
Somebody's about to get smacked.
They don't know me, bro. Now dare someone come here and start talking shit. I kept it rated R for you on your stream, but it's my shit. They ass is gonna get burnt.
You can say what the fuck you want, man.
Ass is gonna get burnt, boy. I'm telling you. First stream, first block. Yeah, bro. You know how I get down, bro. I don't fuck around. Man, gold. That's lit though. 33 people watching. That's dope, right? So what it's looking like it's doing right now is just following structure here on the lower time frames. Like I said, it starts at the lower time frames and then it progresses this way to the higher time frames. But I do honestly think that we need to tap into this 1 hour support or resistance here, right? Also, what I don't like is the 1 hour candle going lower in the first 5 minutes of the open. I wanted it to go up first and then come down the second half hour, right? Because that'll be a better close. Now it needs to just full throttle come down the whole time. I don't want that, right? So another thing what we gotta look out for it. Watch out for this area. If we come back to here, and it rejects, it's out of there. It's gone. Just off 5 minute structure, right? Cracking down right now. 30 minute. And now if this 30 minute creates resistance, if this 30 minute closes bearish, then we create resistance here. Resistance below support, breaker structure, we might be coming down. We might. Who knows? We'll see. Right? It's important that we secure our profits and I just kick back, relax. Right. Currently up what? Let me see how many pips I'm up. 30. 30. After dropping 50. After dropping 52. 52 pip trade. First trade of the week. 52 pips. It's not bad. Normally, I am kind of cold. I do feel like cold. Tired. I'm about to go get some coffee in a little bit. Get a nice little. Alright. Let's see here. 5 minutes. 5 minute looks like we're coming down. But what's his name right here? Shahab. I like that. You saw it though. You saw it. But it wasn't reasonable. You want to short from right here? It wasn't reasonable for you to have your stops above here. Possibly right here. Hey Luke, how do you do that little YouTube music, bro? Cause I can't play Spotify, can't I?
No, go to YouTube.
Plus,
do plus.
YouTube.
And you go to customize channel.
Customize. Where the fuck is that shit at?
It's on the front page.
Okay, I click my icon. It says your channel.
And then dashboard, content, you see? Playlist, analytics, comments, subtitles, copyright, monetization.
Customized channel. I see. Okay, I'm on there now.
And then all the way on the low, you see audio library.
Okay.
So you need to start adding some songs. Because they're all shit. You need to find the good ones.
Where's my library?
I'll send you mine.
What's this here? Ah, hell no, this gonna make me fall asleep, bro. I can't have this shit in the background.
That's why I said you need to make sure you find the good ones. Otherwise, you're gonna be.
I like this one though.
Which one is it?
Till I let go, but I don't want somebody in the background.
Now you need to also make sure that they can hear it. We can't hear your music right now.
How do I do that? I'm gonna have to figure that shit out on YouTube.
You need to, if you want to share it also to Zoom, click on share screen again, and then you can see in the bottom it says share sound as well.
Okay, I'm gonna do that tomorrow. I'm gonna mess with that a little bit here today.
Sure thing.
It's dope though. Audio library, that's fucked up. Baby Shark. First stream. I work with indicators too. Their shape and lower time frame was good for sales. I mean, as you see, I got one indicator and it's EMA 9, but I never use it. It's just there. Actually, I gotta just get rid of it. It's just there just to be there. Alistair Spielman. What up? Why you laughing, bro? Get off my nuts. Why you laughing at me, bro? I have a feeling that's someone I know. I have a feeling this someone I know in person. Just trolling me.
No idea, man.
I believe so. Just using a different name. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man. You know how cheap cars are in the UK? It's mad.
Really?
Yeah, fucking cheap.
How much are they?
Let's say you get a Golf R, right? You can get an okay Golf 7.5R for like 18 or 19,000. They pay like 35.
Damn. They said not at you. I'm laughing for Baby Shark. Oh, my bad, bro. Can I jump into a sell position now? No.
You mad?
Why? If you give me a good reason why, then you can. Otherwise, you can't. Stop trying to find the trade. Stop trying to rush the trade, bro.
You pussy if you don't.
No, don't tell that man that. He gonna feel damaged. He gonna be like, fuck that, man. Fuck that. I'm about to get in. Luke said I'm a pussy. Don't get in, bro. Jumping into a sell is like jumping off a bridge. Right? You wanna die? Jump. You wanna survive? Wait. Let your homie go first, see if he die. And then if you don't die, then you jump. Right? Nah, but it doesn't make sense, bro. The best next possible entry for you would have been right here. But if you were here earlier, man, everyone that was here earlier from the start caught that move from up top, man. You'd be chilling in profits right now, just talking shit, waiting, being patient, right? And normally I don't think that I will post trades anymore. This was just right, like right when I started live streaming, the trade popped in. So I think next time, like tomorrow, I'm gonna just not have this on here, right? So I don't want to feel like I'm a signal provider or anything like that. You should just learn.
That's the same thing I do. I
Yeah.
put nothing on my screen.
I don't think I'll like.
You're only here to learn. People want to only copy trades, and that's not what it's about. You're in this stream because you want to learn other people.
Exactly. So, like everyone in my learning earn, like they know I always take trades. And
Thing is, you don't have to fucking prove yourself.
yeah, exactly. And it's more important that you learn and you can keep doing and you can keep taking trades, good trades, than you following someone else.
You're never gonna learn by yourself.
Never gonna learn. Exactly. Danish Sumro. A better question that you could have asked was, where could I have gotten in on the sells? And I would have explained why, and then you would have learned something for you to catch next time.
But you didn't ask that, so
That you didn't ask exactly.
So you ain't gonna get shit. No.
All right.
Goddamn boy.
1 hour time frame, 30-minute time frame closes in 17 minutes. 15-minute time frame closes bearish in 2 minutes, but could reject here in these 2 minutes. 5-minute time frame making slowly pushing up. 2 hour time frame
That's true.
Yeah.
It's a big man thing.
I don't think we're gonna get in 15 minute. I like the 15 minute, but I don't like out of 5 minutes for me. Because it starts at the 5 minute and it makes it way up, right? So let's see here. Got 1 minute. Let's see here. GU is a chance that we will fly at 136.
Bruh, my GJ, whew, exactly from my zone. Mad thing.
GU is rejecting here. GJ is rejecting there as well.
I'm gonna head off, guys. I'm gonna go get some food.
Just can't trade this. All right, bro. Thank you for tapping in with me, man.
Know the vibe.
Chilling like a villain. About to get 1 million. You know what I mean?
Put money me with it.
Nah, you can't call me. I don't look like him, bro. First off, I got hair and I got a beard.
He's got a beard.
No, he doesn't.
Yes, he's got a little beard.
No, he doesn't.
Yeah, go watch him right now.
Floyd Mayweather.
See, that's the first picture you already see. Oh, he got a beard.
Nah, he got it. He got it right here.
Yeah, right there. You see that picture, the second row.
This one? That's not a beard. That's pubic hair. Why does it look like he got fake hair right here and shit, bro? It looks fake. It's like fake hair.
Yeah, it is what it is, man.
Yeah, when you got money like that, nobody really cares, right?
Oh shit.
You look like you got fake hair, man. Crazy. All right.
I'll see you later.
Yeah, bro. I'll see you, man. Thank you, man. Have a good day.
Peace.
Cause he does. He has a fake beard. Yeah. GJ was cool. Got 100 pip sell and now 30 pip buy. That's what's up, bro. Share the chart, man. Let's have everyone learn here, bro. Share the knowledge. Abidi, I don't want to say your name wrong, but with all due respect, share the chart, bro. Let's see what your thinking was. I like to see what people's thinking was, honestly. Right? For right now, we're just gonna see if we can get a 90 pip drop here on gold. What's your name? I'm new here. I like your vibe. Well, they call me the main name that everyone knows, that everyone calls me, is Guala. My YouTube handle is Bank Robber, and my real name is JR. So that's the 3 options that you could call me, right? So I'll be here every day. I'm a new face on YouTube. But I have been, like Luke Trades London. I've been in his live streams a lot, helping people out, explaining things. I've been trading for about 4 years as well. So yeah, let's just say I'm not new to this. I'm true to this. I know what the fuck I'm doing. In other words. Right. What's your name, West African? Your name Sylvester? Sylvester Stallone? That man's a legend. In short, OG? What you mean, bro? Oh, in short, OG? Come on, man. Nah. OGs, there's been people like, I just started 4 years in this game is nothing, bro. It's nothing. There's people, you follow a couple of them too, like all the big names and stuff. They've been in this shit for like 10 years. They don't even trade anymore. They're just chilling. All right, 10 hour for the daily to close. That'd be dope if the daily flips bearish, bro. That'd be lit. Right. Two minutes till the 5 minute closes. If the 5 minute closes bearish, dope. 15 minute. 12 minute till it closes. 30 minute, 12 minute till it closes, and then the 1 hour has 41 minute. OG in the making, yes sir. I like that better. I'm just really surprised that there's like that 30 people tapped in. That's what I was surprised. I thought we was really gonna be sitting here chilling with like 9 people. Right. Got a bunch of subs as well. That's dope. And everyone that tapped in liked it, which is dope. Which is dope as fuck. That's lit. I like that. Right. We got a minute. Got a minute left for this 5-minute candle to close. We got 15 minutes left for. We got 11 minutes for 15 minutes. Yeah, for right now, all we gotta do is just be patient, man. We just gotta be patient. We're already in this trade. I'm about to kick my chair back. What's that? Nice, man. My name's Sylvester. What up, Sylvester, bro? Drop your IG. Maybe we can DM you for some questions. Excuse me. I'm gonna drop the link on my Instagram right here. Let me go here. Profile. Copy. Paste. There's my Instagram, bro. Bank robber 1922. I have some videos in there. Nothing major. But you're gonna get the most knowledge from this YouTube. Like every week I post weekly breakdowns of what could happen. And if you look at this week's breakdown, I said exactly that I wanted to go here, and that's exactly where we at. And I said I want to short from there, and that's exactly what I did. Right. So now we just gotta see, man. We slowly pushing down. Kind of volume. The volume is lost, man. In Nav, man. Ooh, you deleted the message. Ooh, shit. What you deleting, bro? Why you deleting messages, man? You talk shit. Talk shit, bro. All right. So we get a coffee there. Let's see, what time is it? 12:21. Why you living in Belgium though, if you don't mind me asking? Cause my mom wanted to move out here, bro, and I didn't want to let her come by herself. I moved out here with her. It's pretty dope. I mean, pretty cool out here. I mean, it's chill. It's new, right? It's new. It's a new vibe, new wave. Everyone's chill here. It's not like in the States, right? It's not always busy. It's relaxed here, right? It's relaxed here. Let's see here. Silver's taking a shit. GJ's pushing up. Is it from that level I marked off? No, it's not. 80 USD. I had a swing trade on here with on a paper trade, not a real trade. It's still at entry. No, it's in drawdown. It would have been in drawdown right now. Right? Gold's taking the shit. Let's see if we can break lower, man. Let's see if we can break lower. If we can't break this here, and then we start seeing rejection candles and stuff like that, then man, I think it'll be time to cut the whole trade, honestly. Let's see what my MetaTrader's talking about. 44 pips up in profit right now, chilling. right? Well, it says 37, but it's actually 44. All right, chilling right now. That's all about it. That's about it. Now all we need to do is close. That'd be dope. In about an hour, and let's say hour and a half. That's when the volume will kick in. Right. Ooh, let me also do this. Let me do this real quick as well. Where is my Discord? Open. Let me do this. Paste. All right. Get rid of that. Let's look at gold. Let's look at gold. Let's see what it's doing. Gold's cracking lower. All right. Let's see here what chat talking about. Are you going to be here till New York market open? What time is that? New York opens in an hour and a half, probably. Only reason is because I'm in this trade. I'm kind of watching it. So I'll probably be here. I really want to see what it does. Right. So we're breaking lower. Right. Follow market structure beautifully right now. Right. This one dude, he was looking for that higher low right here. You had your higher low, but if this closes here, one dude that's trying to catch that higher low for that 1850 push, you gotta know gold, bro. Gold is not gonna just shoot up off of a 30-minute higher low. It's gonna shoot up from bigger zones, right? And when there's volume, there's no volume right now. There's no volume. Are you gonna stream every day? Yes, come on, every day, bro, every day. Starting today, starting Monday, I'll be on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, unless I gotta go do something in the meantime, right? But first and foremost, these two levels right here have to break. If they don't break, you can get excited all you want. It's just gonna reject and run away, right? You gotta really break these levels right here, man. Really break these levels. Right, we're looking good. We are looking good. Currently at 52 pips. That's dope. Make an Instagram video real quick. Mute my mic. I keep fucking up. I can't talk right now. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful trade, man. Beautiful trade. 42 pips. 52 pips. Sorry. Just chilling right now, man. Yes, sir. Would you add a sell position below the support 1836.7? 1836. No, why would I do that? Never. I'll never do that ever in my life. Why you think why would that be a good position to add a position, bro? I don't understand your thinking behind that. If anything, I'll wait for a clear break. Like it's not breaking right now. Like I said, get excited all you want. It's not breaking. You want the candle to break and close below. That's good. You want the candle to print. You want the close, and then you can see continuations. But why would I sell? It's probably because there's some like clean traffic to the left shit. Probably, huh? I don't believe in that shit, bro. This is gold, right? Let me just add this here to my Instagram, just like that. All right. Yeah, bro. I would never do that, honestly. Let's see. 15-minute just opened. This trade was awesome. I'll follow your stream. Thank you, bro. Thank you. It was very, very simple, very good trade, bro. I mean, the trades, it's one, first win of the week. Let's see how many more we could cash in, right? Now what's important is the risk to reward on this trade was pretty dope. So let me do this real quick. Let's look at the risk to reward as of right now. Let me get rid of that. As of right now, the risk to reward, right? We had something like that. I'll pull that down. We had our stops above here. Actually, it was right here. Okay, yeah, it was right here on the 5-minute. Yeah, it was right. Our entries are right there. Our entries right here. Stops are right here. So we got to the 15-minute. So the risk to reward already is a 262, right? So that's dope. I mean, let's be real. Like, even if you want to right now, Shahab, you could just be like, you know what? Fuck it. I'm happy with my 50 pips and just close the whole thing, right? Or you could close partials 80%, 50%, whatever you're comfortable with, and just see how far it could come down, right? I've already closed partials. This zone's very dangerous, especially with this candle, right? Because what could happen is we could just fly up from right here. I mean, the 1 hour already rejected here, so don't forget. There it is. Again, second time. I knew it. Now, where could we possibly reject from at this time? We did break low, not too much. Not by much. Let's see here, 5 minutes. This zone possibly. If not this zone, it might be following higher time frame, so it might be coming up to here. Excuse me. But honestly, great trade, man. I'm gonna go do this real quick. Just like that. Just leave the rest run. I had collected some more. Very nice trade. Doesn't want to break this level. Not enough volume to break that level. So we'll just see what happens now, man. I'm gonna stay for like another half hour, then I'm about to get off. Cause it's dead hour right now, right? There's nothing really happening. All right. 5-minute engulf, 2 candles already for the second time, creating a double bottom, which is not good. 1 hour candles closing in 25 minutes. We're just gonna have to see, man. In the meantime, let me see here if I could play a song here. All right. Let's see here. $30-minute. Okay. Okay. 4 hour. This might be the 4 hour bottom. This might be the 4 hour bottom wick to then continue higher. Well, definitely. Like I said, shorts, it's counter trend trade. That's why you gotta be really careful and really just get your money and dip, right? Can't just my man, lit, right? That's gold for you. It looks like it's forming a what is this called again? Head and shoulders, right? Well, nah, cause then I'm lying. Oh wait, no, I'm not. Right here. This the shoulder, that's the head, right? This is the shoulder, then it should come down to here. Lol. Who knows? Probably not. Probably will. Right. I wonder how the 4 hour is gonna close. If the 4 hour close like that, that's beautiful, man. That's beautiful. They were coming down to TP for sure. Yeah, I think I'm about to end the stream. Very good trade. For the first day of Monday, very first Monday, and then Oh shit, excuse me. Very first stream on a Monday. Perfect trade, right? Perfect way to start the week. Now, consistency is key. Let's see if we can come back tomorrow, duplicate that, and then Wednesday, and then Thursday, and then Friday. I probably will. So yeah, whoever tuned in, thank you for tuning in. There's about 46 likes, which is dope. It means a lot of people came in, even though they didn't stay. They at least liked the stream, which is lit. Much love, much appreciation. I will be back tomorrow, at about 10 a.m. Brussels time. So if you want to tune in, pay attention to that. For now, whoever is in this trade, just leave it running. Unless you want to, close a trade. I already collected enough profits. I'm happy with the profits, and I'm gonna just leave the rest run to see if it can tap full TP. If it stops me out at break even, then it is what it is, right? I'm not gonna force anything. What's important is that my position's at break even, and I secured most of my profits already. Now I'm just gonna let it go. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. You guys are great. It's your boy Bank Robber. I'm out of here, man. Peace.